I'm not a dirt rider, so don't expect. I'm not a dirt rider, so do not expect anything hard here. Just soft riding. Especially because I have photo and video gear in my backpack, so I don't want to drop the bike. I see nothing. I think sometimes the camera see more than we see in person. This area is flooded a bit. This is rural Sweden. Outskirt of a little town in the middle of Sweden. Just 100 kilometers from the Norwegian border. In the heart of Värmland county. And Värmland literally means warm country. But in this case, it just means that the big river flows a bit later in the year. So the warmness is very, very relative. I think I need to relax more in the handlebar and let the bike do its job. It was 10 years ago when I last rode a bike in the dirt, and I had never drove a bike this heavy in dirt, so yeah, I need time to adjust. And especially to not grip the handlebar too tight. For first-time riders, that the bike is moving around, moving under you, is a kind of strange feeling. And grip wise, this tag dirt with gravel on it is not the best. And I don't know, I don't feel yet where is the limit. It is probably much higher than what I do now. But I'm not in a hurry, and I'm not a racer, so I'm just enjoying the landscape, the forest, the road. It smells like pine here. There is a little sauna here, or with other words, bastu. But it's under construction. And there is a little hidden spot here. Ugh. Okay, just leave it in first gear. Bye bye bike. Hey do. So there's this little pet here that's lead into a little beach. So we are here. There is a little beach area here, and you will see in different lighting conditions this water is red. Looks cool. There is a pet going around the little lake. You can go around the whole lake area. It's very calm here right now, and I hope you can see there's a red building. There is a sauna in that. Sauna is a Finnish word, not Swedish. The Swedish word for sauna is bastu. There is a forest all around, but there is a clear cut in this area. It will grow back up, but it is a damaged area. It's not good, it's not healthy. Anyway, I came here to do some photography work. Maybe to catch some interesting birds. I'm a bit late, by the way, but that's family life for you. There is a little building there, probably for boats. I'm not sure, but it looks cool. I'm going to put a picture from that. There are some boats hanging on the side. This is a long lake. I have a video about it, and it's kind of cool. Almost 80% of the county is forest here, and there are more than 10,000 lakes. And I don't think they counted all the small lakes. So this is my photography bag with my gear in it. This is the big boy, the Sigma 60-600. This is for wildlife photography and videography. Okay, now I need some quietness. So, bye. Hello.